What's going on, guys? Shine Obsessed here, bringing you in today for a quick update on the wheel coating CarPro DLUX. It's been on the wheels for a little over 4 months now. This is also an update on the Optimum tire protection and coating. So at the same time we coated these wheels, I also added the Optimum tire coating, and as you can see, holding up fairly nicely. Still has a little bit of gloss left, as you can see, getting a little bit of browning in here around the letters. But 4 months, I mean, I'd have been happy with 2 months, you know, and at 3 months it still looked like the day I put it on. And just within the last month, because we've had a lot of rain, a lot of bad weather, it's starting to show signs of wear. But all in all, it still looks pretty good. When the car is clean, the tires aren't a hazy gray or a brown. They still have a nice dark finish to them, and they still look good. Now I may start at this point topping them with something. I'm not sure yet. I have some of the McKee's 37 SiO2 tire dressing, so I may do that just to see how that lasts on top of it. But so far, in all honesty, the Optimum tire coating is so easy to apply. I may just do a quick coat on that and see how that works and give it a quick clean. But I haven't really cleaned the tires at all. Basically gave them a spray rinse off when I cleaned the wheels. But back to the wheels, as you can see, they're fairly dirty. It's been raining the past couple of days. Wipe my hand in here so you can see. But at first glance, it doesn't look too bad. It's not overly dirty and dusty, but wheels still look pretty good. So I'm going to give them a quick wash, bring you guys back, rinse them off so you can see how well they're holding up. So see you in just a sec. All right, bring it back in, guys. I've thoroughly cleaned the wheel and tire. Our simple wheel bucket with Optimum car wash soap, our wheel woolies, the usual wheel cleaning arsenal. I don't like using harsh chemicals on coated wheels. In my opinion, when you start throwing harsh chemicals at it, you're going to degrade that coating. So I go with regular car wash soap, my wheel brushes. That'll get it done. If you like the IK foamers, you can spray foam and then use your wheel woolies. I don't like throwing heavy chemicals on a coated wheel because I don't think it's necessary. When they're coated, they don't get as dirty. You don't need those heavy chemicals. Usually stuff doesn't stick to it as much, and it holds up a lot better. And I'm going to rinse off so you can see. And as you can see, that wheel's still beating and sheeting quite nicely. And it's been 4 months and it's holding up really well. I have no reason to believe why this would not hold up another 5-6 months. Again, 4-month update. We'll do another one in 2 months so you guys can see. We'll switch to a different wheel for that update. And that's about it, guys. I'll see you in the next one.